How's it going, subscribers? I want to talk to you today about the White Madness Garage auto shift knob. A lot of people are using the automatic shift knob from White Madness Garage, and it's a phenomenal product. I have it myself. I've been using it for the last 6 months that I've owned the car or so, and I tell you, I use it every day, literally. Anytime I want to go anywhere in the car, I use it. It's been a great addition to my car. It's probably one of my favorite mods. But a lot of people are using it with the automatic boot or the bezel that comes with the car, and that's fine. It works great and it looks good how it is, but if you want to give it that little extra something to set it over the top, I really feel that you need to put the manual boot on the car, manual bezel, and that's something you could buy from Ford Part. I think it was under $30 when I bought it, and I'll put the part number in the description down below. All right, we have these two ends for the shift knobs. You can see that they're different here and here. This one here, literally, you just take the boot, it's glued to the inside, just pop this piece off, and you're going to use this piece again. Just popped it off like that, and this is the piece you're going to use again with the White Madness knob. So we have to take this piece off, and you can see the piece on the inside, that's going to come off as well. Okay, you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just taking a screwdriver and I'm peeling apart that plastic piece that holds and retains the base for the manual shift knob, and then I'll be able to get the shift boot out of this plastic piece here to put it on the other piece for the auto shift. Alright, you can see here I've taken off, this is the auto boot that this piece was on right here. I've taken that off, and I've also taken off the manual base piece for the shifter, and I will put this piece, this auto piece, on to the manual. Alright, so now you can see what I've done here is I have zip tied with a tiny zip tie the automatic boot around the White Madness shift ball that's in there. And what I'll do with this is I will stick this onto, this piece, the original piece, right, from the automatic shift knob. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it on top of the White Madness shift ball like this, right there, and push it all the way down, and then take the piece that came with the White Madness ball and put right on top of there like that, and that will secure the knob and the boot. So whenever you're installing the manual boot, you do lose the park reverse neutral drive indicator on the boot or the bezel. However, it's on the dash between your gauges, so you really don't need it down low on the console whenever you have it on the dash itself. So that's still there, and you retain that capability. Okay guys, so here it sits today. This is how the car is when it's all put back together and finalized. I love the mod, like I said. I highly recommend it. It looks way better than the automatic bezel that comes with the car. So if you guys like it, then subscribe down below, comment, and we'll see you on the next video.